asset managers frequently challenged in tailoring condition-based asset risk and investment profiles. Did you know that you can demonstrate all current and impending asset risks, failures, deterioration patterns and other detriments under one screen? Cerexio Smart Asset Management with Predictive Maintenance and Digital Twins is a solution that enables all new-age asset management capabilities at a single console. Our proprietary digital twin technologies can model your expansive asset networks for better asset data collection and real-time asset monitoring abilities. This solution leverages advanced analytical tools to forecast and represent asset sustainment needs, impending risks and budgetary requirements of your critical asset for the next 10 years. Harness this solution to gain a transparent view of all your asset event-based functionalities and expand their longevity through insights generated from the battle-tested AI models and algorithms in our simulation tools. This unrivaled smart asset management solution facilitates asset utilizers in many industrial domains, including water, wastewater, road, oil and gas, mechanical, airline industry and more. Reach Cerexio to learn more information about this solution by mailing us at info@cerexio.com. Cerexio Smart Asset Management with Predictive Maintenance and Digital Twins is the permanent stop for all your asset management inefficiencies.